Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to know about the Ghosh Pandit. What is Ghosh Pandit series? It is a web series, one of the web series of the Netflix that is going to be launched very soon. But before that, there is a stay order passed by the Supreme Court on this web series. The reason was the Supreme Court directed the filmmaker and the stream platform Netflix to change the title of the Ghoshkhor Pandit. The reason was not to denigrated any particular community. किसी भी एक पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी को आप नहीं यहाँ पे साइट कर सकते. You are talking about घोषखोर पंडित, that is bribe taken by the pandit. Pandit is a particular community, so you are not going to target, you are going to create a discrimination between the religions. ठीक है. Basically the issue was the petition was filed against the title Ghoshkhor Pandit and arguing that it is collected deformate the stereotypes and वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ द ब्राह्मण कम्युनिटी. ये एक पिटिशन फाइल किया गया था और इस पे सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जो ऑनरेबल जस्टिस हैं बीबी नागरथन and Honorable Justice B.B. Nagarthan and stated that freedom of speech and expression under Article 19(1)(a) does not permit the denigration of any community or undermining of constitutional fraternity. किसी भी एक भाईचारा fraternity मतलब भाईचारा means you cannot be violate any fraternity. मतलब you are not allowed, you are not, by through these titles you are not allowed to derogate this constitutionally fraternity of the India. And Supreme Court direct and make the order to change this title and remove existing promotion of material on this title based promotions of this film and file an affidavit, confirm the name. Also stated that please confirm the name, new name or new title of this film before the Supreme Court on 19th Feb. Supreme Court going to be again review this petition and see the changes, what the changes has been done by the, and what is the name, new name has been done by the filmmaker. So the basically purpose was not to derogate the fraternity of the nation. यहाँ पे सुप्रीम कोर्ट फर्टिनिटी को बचा रहा है. सेम ऐसे हमारा यूजीसी का था, उसमें भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज़ पास द स्टे ऑर्डर एंड से दैट नॉट टू अलाउ discriminate any particular community. General community is also included in that. Still there is a stay and there is a given a date to review this petition. So all these are the I think injustice decision or orders done by the Supreme Court.